K make? Okay. What about this one?
H.
What sound does H make? Good. Oh, what's this?
H.
Which makes a sound, huh? What about this one?
C.
What sound does that make? Yes, and also, what about this one?
F.
What sound does F make? Awesome. What's that one?
G.
And what sound does G make?
G.
High five. Nice. What's that one?
E.
What sound does E make? Good.
T.
What sound does T make?
T.
What's that one?
Q.
Very good. And what sound does Q make?
Cross.
Yes.
X.
And what sound does X make? What's this one? I know, this is exciting, I know. What about this one?
D.
It's a B. They look similar, I know. It's a B. What sound does B make?
B.
Yeah. What about this one?
I.
What sound does I make? Remember?
A.
Yeah, that's right. Sometimes it